Entrepreneurship can be incredibly lonely, but business is a team sport. You need that support and you need the network.
With GEW, it's an ecosystem. You are trying to develop entrepreneurs and then support them and have them create jobs.
We're here to help all entrepreneurs succeed, grow, support the communities in Pennsylvania.
Without this, you wouldn't have the opportunity to meet some of these emerging startups or early stage businesses. With them all being here, with resource partners also here, it gives us a great opportunity to be able to see what we can do to connect them with the right resources to help them grow.
Something that we know a lot of entrepreneurs and small business owners have gotten used to and really look forward to each year.
You can show student entrepreneurs, you can show other people from the community who maybe have thought about entrepreneurship for a long time. Look, here's your friends, here's your neighbors, they're already doing it. They can be your peers and they can also be your mentors.
I'm really grateful. I didn't even know this entire ecosystem existed. I have gotten so much help from all the people here.
It's nice to have this strong, vibrant community and be part of it.
This is a great way to help them understand what resources are available.
I think events like this establish relationships and network that is essential to the success of an entrepreneur.
I love the whole Penn State Global Entrepreneurship Week. I love it.